Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this phone. First we need to go to the screen we want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open the petal maps on my phone. Now, to take a screenshot, we can do a couple of things. First thing we can do is to press the volume down and power button together. Like this. You will hear the sound and also this little preview window will appear on the screen. This means you took a screenshot. And you can do a couple of things with this preview window. You can swipe up on it to share the screenshot via the app or the network. Or you can swipe down on it. Come on. To take a scroll shot. Basically, this option allows you to take a screenshot of the page that doesn't fit on the screen. So something like Google page, maybe something you're reading and stuff like that. Basically, something you need to scroll through it. So if I open, I don't know, maybe app gallery. And here we have the page we can scroll through. And to take a screenshot of the whole page or part of it, you can take a screenshot, swipe down on this, swipe down on this window, then release it, and it's gonna start scrolling, and you can stop it by tapping on the screen or wait until it reaches the bottom of the page. And here we have our screenshot. Okay, you can also take a screenshot by tapping on the screen with the knuckle, basically knocking on the screen like this. You can also use the three fingers method, so you can place 3 fingers on the screen and swipe down with them like that. And you can also draw with the knuckle on the screen, so you can place the knuckle on the screen, and draw the area. And once you draw it, you'll have the highlighted area right here, and you can stretch it, shrink it, move it, and basically once you're done, you will take the screenshot of only of this highlighted area. You can tap right here to edit it even further, and then you can save it by tapping on save. And once you're done taking the screenshots, you can check them in the gallery. You can tap on albums right here and open the screenshots album. And here we have our screenshots. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.